If your parrot can mimic you, you're just like the royals at the Tower of London. Back in the 13th century, King Henry III had some wild animals at the Tower of London. There was even a polar bear. But the real stars, exotic parrots. These parrots were not just colourful, they were comedians. They could mimic royal commands and even shout out rude phrases to passers-by. Imagine walking through the tower and hearing a parrot squawk, "Off with his head," or maybe something cheekier. The best part, people loved it. Those parrots had everyone in stitches, from guards to visitors. So next time you see a parrot, remember, they might be plotting their next royal roast, and that's your quirky history nugget for the day. Hit like and subscribe for more fun tales from the past.